Good morning, my students. I hope this morning everybody is doing well, and then you are copying your notes and at the same time doing your exercises. Donna, Teresa, Estelle, Estrella, Sergio, Carota, Emma, I hope all of you are doing well. This morning, we are to continue our lessons, and then we have our subject mathematics, and the topic is perimeter. But this time around, we are going to treat irregular shapes. We've already done how to find the perimeter of regular shapes. And today, the one that we are going to do now is irregular shapes. If I say regular shapes, you all know that we did how to find the perimeter of what? Square. Square is regular shape. Then perimeter of what? Rectangle. That one too is what? Regular shape. So if let's say a square is like this, and then they give you one side maybe 7 centimeters. If you are to find the perimeter of this square, you write P equals to L plus L plus L plus L. So you get 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. So all will be 28 centimeters. If you want to use the other method, you can write P equals to what? 4L. So you write 4 into brackets 7 centimeters, and then 4 times 7 is what? 28 centimeters. So this is what we did the other day. And then for the rectangle too, if you want to find the perimeter, we have the length, and then we have the width or the breadth. Then I said that if let's say a rectangle is given to you, and then we have here, let's say 6 centimeters, and here is what? 3 centimeters. You are going to write P equals to what? L plus B plus D. So you write here, the L is what? The length. So we have 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus the B is what? 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. So here, 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Then we have 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is what? 18 centimeters. You can also use another formula that I said that we have what? Right? P equals what? 2 into bracket L plus what? B. So if here is what? 6 centimeters, you are going to write 2 into bracket. The length is what? 6. You write 6 centimeters plus the B. The B is what? 3. So you write 3 centimeters. Now, you do the bracket first. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So you write 2 into bracket 9 centimeters. So the answer is what? 18 centimeters. The same thing like what we got here. So we can use this formula or this formula. Now let's go to our topic today. That's finding the perimeter of what? Irregular shapes. Irregular shapes. So we have a shape like this. If you have a shape like this shape has no name, so it's irregular shape. It's irregular shape. So if I have here, let's say 3 centimeters, and here too is 3 centimeters, then I have here 5 centimeters. Here is 5 centimeters. Then you are defining the perimeter of this shape. Here is not there. Here too, there's no number there. So you have to know the numbers that you have to put here, and and then you find the perimeter of the shape. Now, to find the perimeter of this shape, the first thing that you have to do is you have to know horizontal lines. These lines that are like this, they are horizontal lines, and then we have vertical lines. So you have to know the two lines, horizontal lines and then vertical lines. Now, to find this line, we know that this line is what? Horizontal line. This one too is a horizontal line. This one too is a horizontal line. So to get the number here, you have to look at the horizontal lines that we have there, and then you add the numbers that are there. So first one is what? The first horizontal line here is what? 5. It's 5. And then the second one is what? 3. It's 3. The first one is what? 5, and the second one is 6. So when you add them, you get what? 8 centimeters. So this line will be 8 centimeters. Now the second one, you want to find the vertical line here. Here we have what? 5 centimeters. Here 2 is 3. So when you add the 2, you get 8 centimeters. So that means this line is 8 centimeters. This one too is 8 centimeters. So you write P equals what? 8 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus another 3 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. So you add all. 8 plus 5 will be 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. So we'll get 32 centimeters. So this shape, the perimeter is what? 32 centimeters. Now let's take another shape. So if I have this one, this is another irregular shape. So if I have here, let's say here is what? 4 centimeters. Here is 3. And here 2 is what? 3. Here is 3. And here 2 centimeters. Here 2 centimeters. Then they say find the perimeter of this irregular shape. Find the perimeter of this irregular shape. What you are going to do is, here the number has not been given to you. Here too the same thing. So you have to use the horizontal lines and then the vertical lines to find the numbers that are there. Now when you look at this place, here is 4. So the same thing to this place. So 4. If here is 4, that means automatically here to be what? 4 centimeters. Now, to find this one, the one that is down here, we have to find all the horizontal lines that are here in order to get. So we have the one horizontal line here, that's 3 centimeters. We have another one here, 3 centimeters. Then we have another one here, 3 centimeters. So 3 plus 3 will give you what? 9. So this place will be what? 9 centimeters. Now let's find the perimeter. P equals what? 9 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. So here let's add. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2 plus 3, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. So here the perimeter will be 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. So it is simple to find the perimeter of irregular shape. The only thing that you have to know is what? To know the horizontal lines and then vertical lines, because sometimes there are some size that they will not give it to you. So you have to use horizontal lines and vertical lines to find the numbers that are there in order to help you to find the perimeter of the shape. Now let's take another one again. If I have this shape, irregular shape, and then let's say here is what? 4 centimeters, here is 3 centimeters, here is 4 centimeters, here is 2 centimeters, here is 2 centimeters, and here 2 centimeters. So you see that here the number is there, here the number is there, here the number is there, here it is there, here is there, here is there. But here there's no number here. This one too, there's no number. So this one, the only thing that will help you to find it is what? To know the horizontal lines and then vertical lines. Now let's look at all the vertical. If I say vertical lines, I'm talking about lines that are like this, lines like this. So how many we have this vertical line? That one, it has not, the number has not been given to you. So go to the other vertical line. This one is what? 3 centimeters. The other one is what? 2 centimeters. So make it what? 5. The other one is 2. So 7. That means this place is what? 7 centimeters. I hope you are following. Now let's go to the next one. The next one, this one is what? Horizontal line. So to find this number, the number here, we have to look at all the horizontal lines that are there. So we look at the first one. The first horizontal line is 4 centimeters. Then another one 4 centimeters, making what? 8 centimeters. Plus another horizontal line 2, making 10. So here we go at 10 centimeters. I hope you are following what I'm doing. Hope you are following what I'm doing. Following what I'm doing. So here is 10. Now let's find the perimeter of the shape. So we have 10 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus another 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. So we have 10, that's the 10 here, 7, the 7 here, 4, then we have the 3, then another 4, we have the 2, we have another 2, and then this one, 2. Now, 10 plus 7 is what? 17. 17 plus 4 is what? 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So we have here 34 centimeters. So this irregular shape here, the answer is what? 34 centimeters. The perimeter is 34 centimeters. Children, I hope you have seen how to go about irregular shape, how to find the perimeter of irregular shapes. To find the perimeter of irregular shapes, I've told you that sometimes there are certain numbers that they will not give you, or certain size that they will not give it to you. So the only thing that you have to do is what? To know the vertical lines and the horizontal lines. If you know these lines, then you look at the horizontal lines that are there to get the sign that what they are asking you. And then you look at the vertical lines too to get the vertical side that they didn't give you. So that brings us to the end of what? Our lesson today. And I hope everybody has understood what I've taught today. God bless you, and we'll meet again next time. Thank you.